Here we have the audience with the Firth truck in the background. And here we have the delivery mechanisms. Working hard. As you can see, it's an automated system. We have automatic wheelbarrows coming around the corner from the Firth truck over here. The audience is rather enraptured with the delivery mechanism. And here's Daddy. Good progress is being made. You can see a little bit of poured and smoothed driveway there. This is where the living house will be. So you will drive up this beautiful driveway straight into the living house. Doesn't look like much now, but hopefully will in a few months. We're pouring 108 metres squared of concrete in total, so it is quite a big job. Not all today, it will be 2 pours. Today we got the concrete very early, 9 AM, to try and avoid the rain that is scheduled to come in about 4 o'clock this afternoon. It was touch and go if we were going to pour today. Everyone was recommending that we cancel, but we decided to go for it, get the concrete, and fingers crossed it doesn't rain. Yes, Master Nicholas? Master Nicholas? When they're going to go home, when they're finished pouring. That's right.